Hello everyone, we are SkyCut. Today I'm going to show you how to cut a screen protector through our CA cutter. This kind of machine has a built-in system and with 20,000 data in it. Okay, here we go. And now let's come to the home page. As you can see here is the device ID number and your cut amount. And the balance are on the right part. And before cutting, we need to make sure whether the Wi-Fi setting is good. Like here, choose your Wi-Fi and then enter your password. Okay, now let's get started cutting. First, put the film inside the cutter along the line. And then choose your model on your screen. For me, it is iPhone X. So you find the X and choose the front fold. Let's try front fold. And then start cutting. Okay, that's it. And then you try to stick it on your phone right now. Okay, this is the whole process of the cutting material.